So let's say I want to extract out certain information from existing content. So what I can do for that is I can go around and I take some article, like there's a Windows XP article right here, just like this. So I'm just going to go around and copy this and paste it onto Bing right here. So now I'm going to go around and say from next message onwards, I am going to ask about this content. Please answer to me accordingly right here. So I gave it this content and gave the prompt from next message onwards. I'm going to ask about this content. Please answer to me accordingly to this article itself, just like this. So once I go around and do that right here, what happens is that it goes around. It says, certainly, let's continue discussing about the content related to Windows XP, and please feel free to ask any specific questions provided additional content, just like this. So I'm going to go around and say, when did Windows XP begin right here, just like this. So I'm just going to go around and ask it out. I did some like mistake here, but it still went around and answered my question right here, just like this. It further researched out content from the web and answered it out as well. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say let's say for example I'm going to go around and say who used it right here. So let's just go around and use that right here, just like this. And it says it's widely used by homes, businesses, and it has global adoptions right here, just like this, and so forth. So it took this option. It's just like this as well. What architecture did it use right here, just like this? So if I were to go around and do that, what happens is that it simply went around and utilized the architecture right here as well. So for the relevant information, it does access the web and gives more information on basis of that as well. And you can see that this is how you can go around and extract out information right here. So here you can see that I get something like Whistler right here, just like this. So what is this Whistler? Just like this. I'm just going to go around and say right here, and then what happens is that it says it's a code name for Windows XP right here, which was released in 2001, just like this. So that is how you can give it content and ask things about that particular content to get more information about it in Microsoft Copilot. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.